bad. I don't get pasta, I get cake. I like to have my dessert first. I promise it won't ruin my appetite. I'm always hungry every 30 minutes anyway. And I'm only gonna have 2 bites. Ooh. My s'mores cake. Everyone's like so bad. Oh, yummy, yummy. Get a little fork.
Are you having cake? Are you serious?
Yes.
What is wrong with you?
I didn't have it last night. I only had a small piece. See? There. That's it. That's all I'm gonna have. Oh boy. Mmm. Yummy. You want some? I don't know. Everyone's staring at me. What?
Cake, butter, fettuccine, pasta. What's next? You want a Coca-Cola and like...
No. Not Coca-Cola. Maybe gummy bears. Look, they've cleaned the fish tank. Tilapia is not happy. He likes dirty fish tank. Hello. Come here. Bite me. Do it. Do it. Do it. Bite me. Do it. Well, he usually does. Aw, he's sad.
He is sad.
No.
Well, this is because it's
He's poopy. He's got clean water.
his algae and all the stuff that he likes isn't in there.
Well, maybe we should get him some food. Where's the food?
No, he doesn't want any food. He just wants to keep trying to...
Just pouting. Their tilapia's pouting. My cousin Alan's pet fish he caught up, I guess, a long time ago. And it's gotten really big and fat. Stay tuned for dinner. Okay, I'm done. See? 3 bites, that's all I could do. It's too sweet. Have the rest. I can't do the last bite. More sauce? Or would you put in it?
No, I'm
Salt?
just tightening up the sauce. I mean, basically you're evaporating off
Milk?
the liquid, the moisture, to get it to the consistency you want, which is sauce-like consistency.
What you making, Cyrinne?
Fish.
Fish? Oh.
So dark.
It's dark in here. Okay. We'll show the fish later.